Hello everyone, it's Tinjin. Today's topic is coughing. We've seen a surge in cough patients since the onset of COVID-19 last year. Most patients initially contract external influences like cold wind, cold or dampness, which over time turn into chronic conditions like bronchitis, asthma, or even pneumonia requiring hospitalization. When the body's Qi and blood are damaged, the cough worsens. If the cough remains post-medication, it could be due to internal injury caused by cold. For instance, post-influenza, some feel cleansed yet continue coughing due to lung Qi injury, accompanied by chest tightness, shortness of breath, and fatigue. Insomniacs often suffer from lung Qi deficiency, causing an irresolvable mass of Qi in the chest, leading to recurring coughing. Such situations are treatable with Yiki pills. Astragalus and ginseng water concoction is a common home remedy. Alternatively, if remnants of harmful elements persist, causing lung Qi damage and increased phlegm, the lung pills can help. In cases biased to yin deficiency, when heat colds damage lung body fluids causing fiery coughs. Symptoms include a feeling of dry air coming from the mouth and nose, with traces of white phlegm. Sensitive individuals might show heat-related symptoms, treatable with Yannikinbico Muhand. A decoction of Ophiophagus and ginseng and jade bamboo is another remedy. Cough origin isn't confined to the lungs. Coughing when angry or tense points to disharmony between liver and lungs supposed to balance each other. Coughs in children consuming excessive dairy products and cold beverages allude to spleen and stomach disorders. As per traditional Qing, as medicine, the spleen is the source of phlegm, stored as Qi in the lungs, and an excess can lead to coughing. If you found today's discussion helpful, remember to give us a thumbs up and share.